Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. We've got another room cylinder today. It's fired up. It's a Yale, a night latch if you want to call it. It's another kite marked 1 star. No key with this. Now I do know this one is a challenge lock. I know it's got a rated pin at the front because I can see it. Stigs were telling me that the other one, yeah, wasn't. It was just all stock. But nevertheless, I really enjoyed picking that. It was very nice. So we're going to have a go at this one. But before we begin, if you're interested in lock picking or lock sport and you want to get involved, please go and check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. And if you're interested in what you see on my channel, my content, please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon, as I make 2 to 3 videos per week on lock picking, making locks, challenge locks. Funny enough, I'm going to make some pins soon for Stigs for one of his locks, and all lock related stuff. What we'll do is we'll get this going. Also, none of you'll probably know this, I actually have another channel. If anyone's interested, just have it's more of a funny channel. It's nothing to do with lockpicking. There is one lockpicking video on there. It was a friend of mine having his first go, and he opened a lock. But the other channel is me testing out my new drone, with some drone footage. Me and his son doing a chili challenge. It's nothing to do with locks. It's just a channel that I was going to do for just having a bit of fun with the kids and that. But it's called Free Time. So it's capital F, so it's FRAA space time, TIME. If anybody's interested, you just see what I look like on there as well. Some people would be disappointed when they see my face. Right, we're going to use top of the keyway. I'm going to use a homemade tension wrench, which was an Allen key, and a very beautiful narrow hook that came from Shrinkmaster. Look, click from one. Nothing on 5. He did tell this one was a 5-pin. The other one is a 6-pin. Another click off one. I don't know if that was an overset then, maybe. Yeah, so this, like I say, this other channel, it's just more me having fun with like my son and that. I needed something that he could watch himself and have a giggle, especially the chili challenge. That was fun. Got a new drone, so I've been had it out twice. First video flying wasn't so great. Second video was much better. Got one because some nice aerial footage when you're out. When you've got nice days, it means you can do some really good footage and take some really nice pictures. Well, video, I should say. Click again. Oh. Little rotation on the cover. A little bit more rotation. Something's always setting somewhere. I'm going to go for a reset. So you know what? I'm going to do it like that. Click off one. Rest of the springs are loose. A little bit of rotation on the colour. A bit more rotation again. I'm definitely oversetting something again. Right, one. Three's not moving. Two's not moving. Another reset. Right, a little bit of a clip, a little rotation. Oh, a little bit more rotation again. More rotation then. Turn of the colour. Another reset. Right. Oh, there it is, we're getting close. All the pins are locked, except for one. Oh, there we go, we're open. Oh, well, it definitely put up a bit of a fight, that one. Well done, mate, that. Let's get this straight. Also, that other channel, if you do have a nosy, I'm not asking to you know, to be all subscribed or anything to it. It's more of a channel just for, you know, having a laugh and putting some memories up there, so kids can watch and that when as they get old and think what they were getting up to. Right, yeah, definitely not going to be locking this up. I do apologise. Come on. Ow! Got myself. But we got it off. Right. Let's have a look. We need it about there. There we go. That should stop. Looks like we've got 1 second. I just dropped. Right, so we have it sorted. Right, now he said this had a 5-pin. We've got more there. We've got a straighted keeping. We have a barrel keeping. A very, very tiny keeping. A little straight on the top. A very long serrated keeping. Another long serrated keeping, and yeah, mate, that's not that. This is a 6-pin as well. Let's have a look. We've got threading in all the chambers. Can't focus there, I'm sorry. No undercutting. It's just a threaded chamber. Yep. And let's see what we've got in here. We got a very long, like another barrel pin. We have another barrel pin, driver pin. We have another. Now, Stigs, mate, one of these pins are not in the right place, mate, and there's a reason for that. Because I had to, that last pin, I had to take the top off because it was the core had turned and it had got itself stuck. So we've got a steel, we've got a copper, we've got a copper, we've got a copper. Let me just check. There we go. We've got another spring hiding. He's refusing to come out of there. I'll leave him in. You can see him there, he's there. And all these are threaded as well. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's one hiding under there because I put this tie grip on the other day. Right, so we've got a spring missing, and I think I know where it is, but I'll sort that out, don't worry about it, mate. Let's have a look at the pins. Nice pins, we've got a nice spool as well there, but one we have got, these I have noticed when I look underneath. These are grub screws. 1, 2 and 3 are grub screws turned into pins. We've got it's like a barrel type mini spool. We've got there with a little lip on it. And then we got that one. And we got number 1, which is a grub screw. Well, that was a very nice pick, mate. But it's saying there's the 5 pins, there's 6 pins in the other one, and there's 6 pins in that one. Which is, I think you just tried to trick me to make me think there's just that many. But it was a nice pick. I'll find out the spring will sort that back out, not a problem. We'll get it all back together again. But thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. And bye. Don't forget to like.